So, a cardia felch ro of an actic imach Ceiliúradh has starl shawl le Fóram na Óg. Táma dúrbéis go bhfuil sibh anlinn. Táma imach seo ag titim amach a rí féil na carige. Is the páirteachas políteacht agus pobl prío héimi féil na carige. Cumáil le seo is iad seo na prío héimi atá an obair atá bhainneáin ag tógáil an earnáil Óige Ceiliúradh ó thuaí le deich mbliana anuas. Tábhair páirteachas an áthar an seo. Tá na rólanna atá agin le stócracht agus abhagadeacha a dhéanamh lárnach ó taobh thógáil earnáil adó. Is the cóhex seo den dí clíanú, agus is the seo a dhéanann ar obair palaitiúil. Tá ar pobl Óige na Gaeilge a mharú ar fás agus ar scach a chéile. Hey everyone, and welcome to this celebration event tonight with Fóram na Óg. I'm honoured to be opening this event where we will celebrate the achievements of 69 young people completing accredited training youth work programmes. We have completed the OCN Level 2 in peer mentoring, the OCN Level 2 in leadership, and an OCN Level 2 award in youth work practice. This year has been transformational in so many ways for Fóram na Óg. Fóram na Óg are the lead regional voluntary youth organisation funded by the EA to represent and build capacity within the Irish medium youth work sector. Under the EA's new funding scheme, we are now in receipt of regional strategic funding, regional development funding, and for this specific piece of work, we are in receipt of regional project funding. The youth work practice in our Irish medium youth clubs is ultimately the backbone, the bread and butter of our sector. This is where the magic happens. This is where our young people get opportunities to learn and grow in an informal context through the medium of the Irish language. These types of informal learning experiences and opportunities are what we should continually strive to develop and grow. And it is through the regional project funding that this such work happens. This is where the magic happens that requires well-trained and highly skilled staff to work in such projects. If we are able to build capacity and grow, then this is the ultimate goal for the sector. This is where we will build the skills of our workforce, staff and volunteers. This is where we will bring our young people through the sector, identify volunteers and emerging young leaders. This is where we will bring and provide opportunities for the next 10 years. For now, we have only scratched the surface. In the past 10 years, building capacity within this sector has happened really or son na cúise or through the goodwill of volunteers and activists. This approach has paid dividends as all of the leaders now across our IAM youth clubs have come through our accredited youth work training programmes, developed their personal and professional skills to work within our sector. Each of them emerging young leaders will and do play invaluable roles in the delivery of high quality youth work services, and for this reason Fóram na Óg are indebted to you all. In terms of accredited training programmes delivered over the last 5 months, I have no doubt that it will bring more emerging young leaders through who will go on their own personal journeys through the homegrown Irish medium youth work sector. This sector is unique in many ways, but the homegrown element is Fóram na Óg's most important remit in terms of capacity. This project has only scratched the surface of what this sector needs, and through our regional strategic funding, Fóram na Óg, along with the Education Authority, will work to develop further training needs analysis that will inform a workforce development strategy for our future. Along with the recent research and an audit carried out within the sector, recommendations have been made to the Education Authority, and we hope that alongside training programmes like this, we will make great strides in strategically developing the sector over the coming years. I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of Fóram na Óg to thank the Education Authority for funding this project. I would like to personally thank Connor and Carly, Fóram na Óg team members, for making all the work that's happened over the past 6 months a possibility. Yous are amazing. I would also like to congratulate all the young people and volunteers for completing this training. I would like to take the opportunity also to congratulate a further 24 young people from South Derry and Derry City and Gael Feirste who completed OCN's and peer mentoring and leadership but can't make it here tonight. We've been told that in rural parts of the 6 counties, the GAA takes a stand over anything, and the young people are in a final this weekend. So we would like to wish them all the best, and we will have a mini celebration in each of your units when you have some availability. So, gar míle mai agus an Éist by Paul Deighan agin, atá mar Head of Regional Youth Work Services for the Education Authority. Paul.
Yeah, this is one of those moments where I wish I paid more attention in my Irish class in primary school. But thank you very much for the welcome this evening and also inviting me along. I think it's really comforting to see so many young faces in the room this evening receiving an accreditation in one of the courses that you've done, because for this sector to expand and grow, it's going to rely on a lot of the shoulders of you guys sitting in this room. So I do challenge you to continue forward in this pathway and giving back to youth work delivery within the Irish medium sector. I think also just to note with Fóram an Óg, I think I want to reflect exactly how impressed and how amazed I have been and how they've seized the regional development, regional project and now the regional strategic funding opportunity to really grow this sector and to really take a deep dive and look at the opportunities that the Irish medium youth sector does present for the lives of all our children and young people. So it is with great hope for the future that Fóram an Óg as a regional strategic body and all your local units that are delivering Irish medium youth work on the ground, that we continue to see this sector grow. She has laid the gauntlet down to me. She's given me a report with recommendations for EA. And for us within EA, that's quite critical. We want to listen to what you need as a sector and how we can best facilitate that growth and meet your needs, not only as young leaders and volunteers and the value of what you bring to the sector, but also the difference in the lives of children and young people that come to all your clubs and all your units. So it is with great pleasure that I'm here this evening, and I know Orliath has told me that I'm going to get to give out certificates. I didn't think I'd reached that status in my career yet, so I'm really pleased for that, so thank you very much.
So, Dia David Carja, is Misha Carlaí Chaomhnach. I'm Carly. For anybody who doesn't already know, I am the Training Officer with Fóram an Óg. I've worked over the years in Béal Feirste and Solas na Nóg, and through this work I've seen the benefits of informal learning opportunities through the medium of Irish. So when the post came up with Fóram an Óg, I jumped at the chance to be involved in capacity building with the sector. I'm now employed on a part-time basis as a training officer with Fóram an Óg. The last 6 months has been a massive learning experience for me. Working with you all has been a pleasure. I want to take this opportunity to thank you all for the hard work you put into the accredited training programmes, even though it was challenging. Even though it was a challenging time when groups were forced to go on Zoom during the restrictions and stuff, you here today are the future of our sector and do amazing work across our Irish medium units. In West North Belfast, Ballinascreena, Mahara Feilta, Ancarn, Mahara, and in Derry City. Although the past 6 months have been fulfilling watching you all grow and learn, it has been a very challenging time with regards to the demand within the youth sector in relation to capacity building and having the resources to maintain staff and volunteers. But Fóram an Óg are dedicated to developing this particular project to meet the demands and needs of the sector. So for anybody who completed the level 1, there will be level 2 starting up again in the next few weeks, and for those of you who completed the level 2, the level 3 we will be facilitating the level 3 for the first time ever. I want to thank the EA, the assessors Anya and Katie, Eternal Verifiers, the supervisors, the team at Fóram an Óg, Cáthair Dhoire and Adele for lovely music at the start.